Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a ragdoll and activate that ragdoll from changing from the animator to ragdoll. First I'm going to create a couple folders here. One for models, one for animations, and I'm going to go to mixamo.com and grab a character. Let's do exo gray for now. Animations, T-pose, just grab that T-pose. Gonna download with the skin. This will be my base for my base avatar. And then I want to grab an idle, which there's one right here. Download. This doesn't have to have a skin. It will be using the avatar that we create. Gonna go to downloads, grab these two, bring them to animations, go to model, make sure everything's good. Rig, I'm gonna change it to humanoid. Create from this model, standard 4 bones, and apply. And then for the idle animation, I'm gonna go to humanoid, copy from other avatar, and plug in that T-pose avatar. Now I can create an animator, or an animation, or an animator controller, excuse me. And we can drag in our T-pose guy. And if he comes in without materials, you should be able to just come over here and extract your materials. Go to models, new folder, materials, select folder, and he didn't, so extract the textures as well. It's being difficult. So we'll lock this. Body diffuse. Body normal. Fix now. Body specular. There's no specular. That's fine. What else we got? Browse material. Brow diffuse. Exo material. Exo diffuse. Exo normal. Fix that. Eye matte. Side for white, which looks kind of cool. Let's see if there's an eye in here. Brow diffuse, exo normal. I don't see his eyes. Maybe it's in body. Nope, it's not. Brow. Nope. Well, that's how you normally do it. He's being difficult, so he doesn't get any eyes today. That's fine. We're not worried about that. on his animator here. Is looking for a controller. Go to animations. We'll drag in that animator controller we created. And up here, we'll right click and add tab. Animation. No, that's not what we want. Close tab. Double click on this. And we'll drag in idle. So these, it's got a base name here. If you want to change that name, you come into animation and it's right here. I like to bake these in the pose and loop time, or else if you don't loop it, you'll finish it and then it'll stay stuck at the end of the animation. So if we hit play, he should be idling. Yep. There he goes. Let's move this camera. If you hit Control Shift F, wherever your camera, you gotta be wherever your camera is in view, in the scene view, you hit an object and you can align that object to view if you hit Control Shift F. So now the game view is aligned to where we are. And we're gonna add a plane in here. I'm gonna reset the transform and increase it by 5. Give it some distance there. Now for the next part, we're gonna go to Game Object, 3D Object, Ragdoll, and it's looking for certain transforms in here. So I like to break these out real quick. Okay, so now that we're good, we got his pelvis, which is his hips. His left hip will be his left up leg. His left knee will be left leg. Left foot is left foot. Right up leg is right hips. Right leg is right knee. Right foot is right foot. Then we got left arm is left arm. Left forearm is left elbow. Right arm is right arm. Right forearm is right elbow. Middle spine. If you click on your spine, it should show you right in the middle there. I click spine. There's a couple different ones, but spine normally works. You got spine 1 and spine 2. Spine normally works for me. And then we got head. I normally keep the mass at 20, which is fine. And then strength at 0. Flip forward, we don't need because we've already facing forward. And create. So now if we click on the main object here, you can see he has a bunch of objects on him. If we turn off our animator, we hit play, he should fall over. There he goes. So what we're trying to do is create a code that grabs the animator and turns it off on a key press. So we'll add a folder for scripts. In here we'll go to create C# script. Call it Ragdoll controller. Press enter on that. Let it load up. Alright. You could do a private variable if you want to just grab the animator, but I like to fill in my references. animator, and then on update, if input dot get key down, key code dot L. I like to use L for some reason. We're gonna go animator dot enabled equals false. Then we gotta drag that script onto our game object and fill that animator in. You can grab it from right here, or you can grab the object that it's on and drag and drop. So now, if we press L, he goes and he drops in a ragdoll. And it's as simple as that. Play it again so you can see. So he's in the middle of his idle animation, press L, he drops in a ragdoll. And that's all I got for this small tutorial. If you liked it, comment, like, subscribe. Keep pushing out content as frequently as possible. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Bye.